so far. Wow. Poster paper. You can see the poster paper. I think this is about half a meter and longer than a half a meter. I'm not sure. I think this is 36 by 28. So this is 28 and this is 36 inches in inches. Okay, let's do it. Let me fold the paper in half first. Let's see what I can fold with this huge piece of paper. Move the paper right here. Just fold in half. Just fold in half. You know, this is harder than I expect. You have to adjust paper first. So let me fix the paper and fold it in half again. Look like I didn't fold it correctly. This is one time folding. You cannot actually fix it. You don't fold carefully, and then you will make a mess. And it's extremely difficult to fix. So it's huge. And whatever. So I just fold the paper in half. Maybe off a little bit, but we don't have a chance to fix it now. And I will start from the top here. I'll start from both sides, fold to the center crease. Fold into the center crease. Fold into the center crease. Also for this side, they're doing fix perfectly. So I have to adjust the paper a little bit. You know, it's not easy at all. Both sides. And next, let's start from a side here for it into the center crease. Fold it into the center crease. And also for this side, then fold it into the center crease. Huge paper airplane. Let's start from this and fold it down. Huge classic fighter. Should work just fine. And then now start from here. Estimate about half of a it's about 2 inches there. I don't know, just for now. 3 inches maybe. So this is what you should have for now. And hold the paper, put the paper like this, and fold in half. Fold the paper in half. Okay. Fold the paper in half for now. And start from this edge, fold it to the other edge to create the wings. I'll create the wings around. And also for the other side, really huge paper airplane. And here you go. Curve the wings up as usual. Now let's take a look and I'll throw it. Ready? Let's see how the small one flies first. It's boomerang. It's awesome. And now let's take a look at how this one flies. And I'll show you guys how to fly. Try to fix the elevators, stabilizers and elevators, and just try.